Good day everyone, this is Bornin Batanes once again. Today we are going to make this simple and delicious pineapple upside down cake. And here is our ingredients. We need pineapple in can, brown sugar, butter, and lemon juice for the caramel. And for the cake batter, we need egg, buttermilk, sugar, plain flour or all-purpose flour, vegetable oil, and vanilla. Now, if you don't have buttermilk, just mix a cup of milk with 2 tablespoons of white vinegar or lemon juice and leave it for like 15 to 20 minutes until it curdles. And now we're going to start with the caramel. We're going to melt the brown sugar with the butter in the pot and mixed in our lemon juice and leave it there until it's golden brown. And then once it's ready, we're going to pour it in our prepared pan with the pineapple slices. Now you can arrange your pineapple however you wanted it. And so we'll set it aside and then we get to our cake batter. First, we mix the egg and the sugar. Give it a good mix until it's light and a little bit fluffy. And then we add in our vegetable oil, our buttermilk, mixed it until it's well incorporated. Add in our vanilla and then our flour. I forgot to mention before that I sift the salt, baking powder, baking soda, and nutmeg together with the flour so we don't have any lumps of baking powder or salt in the end. And it helps to incorporate some air with our flour also. And then we give it a good stir until it is just combined. Now we don't want to overmix our cake batter. And then once that's done, we are going to pour it in our baking tin carefully. And while I'm doing that, I want to thank you all once again for joining me. I hope you find this interesting and that you'll try to make it at home. And if you have any question, please leave a comment in the comment section below and I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll get notified every time I upload a new video. And now it's ready for baking. So I preheated my oven at 180 degrees Celsius and we're going to bake this for 30 to 35 minutes depending on your oven and depending on the size of your pan. You might want to check it. And now you want to cool it down a little bit before you flip it. And ta-da! It's ready. So I hope you enjoy watching and I'll see you next time. Thank you. God bless. Bye-bye.